Surkdaman. There is one more story attached to river Kaveri. A demon named Surkdaman wanted to be a victorious king. He wanted to defeat all the gods and the demons as well. To fulfill his desire, he performed deep penance to please Lord Shiva. Shiva was satisfied with his dedication and blessed him with what he desired. After getting the boon from Shiva, Surkdaman became a terror for the universe. He fought against the gods and imprisoned them. Indra somehow managed to escape from the prison and hid in the southern part of India. Meanwhile, Surkdaman became the ruler of hell, heaven and earth. He then travelled towards Mount Kailash as he wanted to meet Shiva. On his journey, Surkdaman met Varun, the god of water. He threatened Varun to stop the clouds from going southwards, or else he would be imprisoned. Surkdaman wanted the southern region where Indra was hiding to face severe drought. Varun had no other option but to listen to the demon, and it resulted in severe drought in the south of India. Ganesha turns into a crow. The southern parts of India were facing severe water crisis. All the living beings were in pain. Sage Agastya, who resided on Sahaya mountains, prayed to Lord Brahma for the well-being of the people living in the south. Brahma appeared before Agastya and asked him to visit Mount Kailash and meet Shiva. He said, "Agastya, Shiva bears the holy river Ganga in his hair. He will help you." Agastya met Shiva and told him about the drought that southern India was facing. Shiva gave some holy water to Agastya. He carried the holy water in his kamandalu. Ganesha heard the conversation and followed Agastya. Agastya reached the drought-affected region, but instead of releasing the water, he started meditating. Ganesha thought that he should do something to release the water first. Ganesha turned into a crow and pushed the kamandalu. It tumbled down while Ganesha immediately turned himself into a small boy and ran away. Ganesha releases river Kaveri. Sage Agastya's meditation was disturbed by the noise. He saw a little boy running away and the kamandalu in a tumbled position. He raised his hand to chase the boy. The holy water that was held in the kamandalu took the sage's raised hand as an indication to flow down. The water sputtered down and took the form of a river. It was named Kaveri. Meanwhile, Agastya started chasing the little boy. He covered a long distance while doing so. But finally, the sage caught up with the boy. Ganesha revealed his identity in front of Sage Agastya. The sage was surprised as well as was angry with Lord Ganesha. But then he apologized for his anger and said, "O mighty Lord, the water was precious. You should not have wasted it." Ganesha smiled and said, "Agastya, turn around and see. Is the water really wasted?" Agastya turned around and saw a huge river flowing down the mountain. Ganesha blessed the river that she would never dry up. Satrajit and the Syamantak Gem. The curse of Ganesha has immense power. The moon on the fourth day of the bright fortnight in the month of Bhadrapad was cursed by Lord Ganesha. Hence, it was inauspicious to look at the moon on that night. An incident took place in the city of Dwarka, the abode of Lord Krishna. A Yadav nobleman named Satrajit was an ardent devotee of Surya, the sun god. He worshipped Surya regularly. Surya was pleased with his devotion and gifted him a divine jewel named Syamantak. The Syamantak gem was a bright ruby that sparkled like the sun itself. Surya told Satrajit that the gem had an extraordinary power of producing 1.5 tons of gold daily. He instructed him to to wear it around his neck. With the help of the gem, Satrajit soon became prosperous. When Yadav chief Ugrasen saw the gem, he ordered Satrajit to hand it over to him. He said, "Satrajit, hand over this gem to me. This is Krishna's order." But Satrajit refused to do so.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.